Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious jollof rice with beans. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can as well subscribe and share the video. Thank you. So guys, for this recipe, here are my cooked beans that I'm going to use. I have about 3 cups of rice, some chicken stock. Here are the spices that I'm going to use for this recipe, and I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box if you are interested in this recipe, so check it out before you make your own. In my bowl here, I've cooked my tomatoes. In there I have tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and some scotch bonnets. I just cooked the tomatoes for about 15 minutes. And also, as you can see, I have my microfish. I'm just going to spice it very well, then I will grate it in my oven. Now I'm just going to soak my rice with hot water for 10 minutes. And I'm also going to soak the crayfish just to avoid sand in your food. So you need to do this process because we are cooking rice. You don't want to eat sand in your rice now. It's not nice. In my pot here, I'm just going to cook the microfish. I'll add salt and some fish stock. In my pot here, I'm just going to add some vegetable oil. I'll add some salt, some onion. I'm just going to cook this onion for about 3 minutes because I want the onion to cook properly so that I can feel the flavor. It's time for me to add the tomato paste. You just have to stir it continuously. You don't want to leave your tomato paste to get burnt, so you just have to stir it. It's time for me to add the tomato that I cooked before with the bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onions. I'm just going to cook everything very well. I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes because I've cooked the tomato before. Now I'll just pour in all the spices that I'm going to use. Some Maggi cubes. Then I will give it a nice stir. I'm just going to add the chicken stock, some crayfish. I'll give it a nice stir and I will allow it to cook. As you can see, my fish is ready. I'm just going to take the fish out. I will set it aside to cool down. So now, before I add the rice, I just want to take some of the stew out of the pot because I don't want the stew to overshadow the rice. So I'll take some stew, I'll set it aside. In case if it's not enough, I'll add more stew later. So I'm just going to pour my rice inside there and stir it together very well. Now I'm pouring the beans as well because the beans, you don't need to overcook your beans. If you want to cook rice and beans. I just cooked the beans. It's almost done, but not fully done. So the rice and the beans will cook together. I'm just adding some water so that the rice and beans can cook properly. Then I'll cover it and I will allow it to cook. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share to your friends and families. Thank you. So now in here, the scotch bonnet that I cooked with the fish, I just match everything together. I add some salt, some Maggi cubes. I just want to rub it around the fish. Then I'll leave it inside my oven to grill for about 15 to 25 minutes. I don't know, all depends on the oven. I'm just going to check the rice and see how my rice is cooking. Wow, as you can see, the rice is almost done, but I'll still leave it for some minutes. So guys, try this recipe out. It's so good, eh? At this point guys, I'm going to leave you all guys, and I want to say thank you so much for always watching my video. I so much appreciate. And for my old returnees, thank you so much. God bless you all, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video with another yummy and lovely recipe. Ciao.